Welcome everyone to another Funko Friday, and today's video is sponsored by Cosmic Comics. And today we're going to do the unboxing of the exclusive 6 Arm Spider-Man. Now you can see this, let me just get the spotlight off this thing. This is the special edition. Now this thing is only available at Cosmic Comics currently. So as you can see, the side, he's got the 6 arms, so can't give him i5, it's going to be i30 or something. So at the back it's like there's nothing in this range, and then it's just like this. So let's open him up. Now this is, like you can see there, a bobblehead because this is marble. So this is the mascot, definitely the mascot, seeing that it is exclusive only to Cosmic Comics. Now he's falling out of the box, which is horrible, but at least I have another one that's still in perfect condition. So let's actually have a look at it. So you can see it's a bobblehead, and there's nice attention to detail. As you can see, the 6 arms, 2 fists, well, 1 fist, and then all the normal stuff. Nice badge. I mean, and I like the fact that it's on the back. Why it's 6, I have no idea, but still, I mean, I really like this bobblehead, and this is definitely Cosmic Comic. It's the link is in the description. They're currently the only one in South Africa that has this one, so you definitely need to get them. They have actually 2 variants of this one, one with this sticker on and one with the normal exclusive one. But this one says special edition. So I'm glad I got this one, and this one looks amazing. I mean, just sit there and just, well, don't fall down. It's Spider-Man. It's not Infinity Wars yet, but yeah. So I'll definitely leave a link in the description to Cosmic Comics. You can actually find him on their online store, on their Facebook page. I have to say they just launched their latest online store, so it's amazing. So currently you can get everything there, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the videos. If you did, leave a like, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys.